Alyssa Valdez versus Gia, magkakaalitan nga ba? Valdez kampi sa maling sistema? What's up, Volleyball Nation? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Narito ako para magbigay sa inyo ng updates tungkol sa mundo ng volleyball. Pero bago yan, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga videos. Usap-usapan nga ngayon ang bagong mukha ng Alats Pilipinas. Mula sa mga dating miyembro ng national team hanggang sa mga youngsters na mula sa UAAP at NCAA players. Subalit mainit ngayong pinag-uusapan ang pagtanggap muli ni Valdez sa hamon bilang makasama muli sa national team lineup. 2023 nga nang huling naglaro si Valdez para sa bayan at ngayong nabigyan siya muli ng pagkakataon, sinabi niyang I will never get tired of representing the country. Bagay na marami naman ang natuwa na kahit sa mga nakaraan na lineup ay hindi siya choice, ay willing pa rin siyang lumaban para sa bayan. Ngunit kaiba ito sa pananaw ng ilang mga fans na nagsasabing tinotolerate niya ang kapalpakan ng pamunuan. Mismong ang kanyang longtime teammate at dating Alas captain na ang nag-decline, maging ang iba pang mga players na nagpapahiwatig na mali ang kanilang sistema, tila ayon sa fans hindi naisip ni Valdez. Kaya naman samot-saring mga komento ang natatanggap ngayon ni Phenom. Alyssa is really an idol kasi despite the fact na marami na ayaw maglaro sa Alas, ay very willing siya to represent the country. Napaka mababang loob talaga siya. We respect you so much, Alyssa Valdez. For me, Valdez still got it. I mean, this is really if not the last hurry. Shall I say, but I know it will be an amazing one. Experienced offense, defense, high volleyball IQ. She has a variety of getting a points, most especially if it's crucial. She's a vocal leader, a veteran and definitely can lead the Alas Pilipinas national team. Same with Myla Pablo and Job Gonzaga. Please, kunin na po sila. Need natin ng palaban na experienced players. Alongside of course, this young palaban din na UAAP and NCAA players too. It's too late. When it needed the most, you did not step forward for the country. She's not doing this for the organization or the people behind it. She's playing for the country and the sport she loves. Let's understand that. If you don't have good words to say, better keep in mind na lang. Yeah, maybe we're disappointed of the organization. Pero let's be considerate, especially dito gaganapin yung tournament. We know the willingness ng mga players to represent the country or the Philippine flag, regardless of what is happening right now. Please stop the hate toward these players which is willing to take steps. Kahit alam nila na may sasabihin ng mga tao sa kanila. So sad for her joining the national team invalidated what was the former Alas players including her friend Gia fighting for. If you really know Alyssa Valdez, you would know that she will proudly represent the Philippine flag no matter what. Miss Girl literally let go of her chance of becoming a PBB big winner just because she had to represent the country. Tumigil kaya sa argument nyo na kaya siya tumindig last election. Give na natin sa kanya yon. Pero never siya tumindig sa baluktot na pangangalakad sa Philippine volleyball. For those na pinagtanggol si AV, halata na fan lang kayo ni Alyssa Valdez but you're not truly a fan of Philippine volleyball. Never get tired of representing our country daw, so parang sinasabi mo na tinamad yung Alas score last year? Tuta ka kasi nila Tony Boy Liao. Hindi mo sila kayang kalabanin o kausapin. Para sa ikabubuti ng national team sana. You have the power and influence, kaso wala Fan mo ko dati pero not on this one. You're looking at a short-term gain na manalo sa susunod na tournament, but Gia is trying to find a long-term solution to this decades-long plug in PH volleyball. Join her cause. Ilan namin yan sa mga komento ng mga fans na ang ilan ay mga positibo, ang ilan naman ay marami ding negatibo. Kaya naman, anong masasabi niyo dito? Leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.